Friends, good morning to all of you. As you know, today is a Yoga International Day. So, best wishes to all of you for this day. Yoga is a essential part of our life, and it can be the main part of life because people are busy in their hustle bustle life, and people are busy in their life. They do different activities, and they are facing stress, they are facing many problems, they are having many responsibilities, they are busy their own work, so they are not having time to do exercises and meditation. If they will follow exercise and meditation via the yoga, so they can be healthy and they can physically fit and mentally fit also. So that's why yoga is very important. That's why yoga day is declared on 21st June. So by the declaration, people can be aware about exercises, concentration, meditation and other kinds of activities. So not only India, it is famous in the world. That's why it is declared International Yoga Day. Nowadays, people are busy in their own work. They are not doing any exercises. They are not taking any part of meditation. So, in the morning, they can give some time. In the evening, they can give some time for performing yoga. Some general exercise they can do like pranayam, alom bilom, surya namaskar, vajrasan, and other kinds of activities. So, they can keep them physically fit, they can be they can live healthy life, and they can concentrate towards their work. Even students, those who are not having concentration towards their study, they can perform yoga, they can perform meditation, so they can concentrate towards their study. Old age people can live healthy life. If they are having any many diseases, they are facing many problems in old age, they can perform some yoga, meditation, exercises, so they can live proper life. And nowadays you can make your career in the field of yoga also. You can be the yoga teacher. There is a requirement of yoga teacher in school and colleges and other education field also. And even in big business, many employees are there and they are busy in their work, so they have given some holidays, so they were told to perform yoga in the morning itself, and if they are not having time uh, evening and morning, they can also take out some little bit time at night also. They can go with pranayam, they can go with alom bilom. And one more thing is that in the morning itself, if you are not having time, you can give little bit of time for alom bilom. You can sit and count your respiration, सांस लेना और छोड़ना, इस तरह से, and you perform different other activities. While you take food, then you can concentrate there also. So if we talk about yoga is a part of life, and if you are having you are making it part of life, then it will help you to live your life in a proper way. तो आज हम आपको योगा डे के दिन इसके बारे में बताया, इसको आप लोग फॉलो करें। यदि आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो आप इसको सब्सक्राइब भी करें, और यदि आपको ये चैनल पसंद आता है तो लाइक और शेयर करें। दैट्स ऑल।